Hi, how are you? I hope everyone is good and you are doing well. And good evening. Actually, I have a good knowledge in Excel, so I have created one template for Excel projects. So I want to share with you, and you have to know about these all projects because these projects will help you for the optimize your process as well as your work scheduling, and also it will be get accuracy in your work. So let's go through with one by ones. And if you want to create in Excel and you are getting something issue in your Excel during the creation of the Excel data, and also if you implementing such project but you have some issue, so please raise me comments. I will help you. And also once I explain you each and everything, then I will also create these all project in Excel one by ones with one video. In one video I will create one sample projects, and these project with pictorial example, and after that we will go through with another one. This project is helping you during the production as well as your quality management, as well as everything is related to the breakdowns and various things what is happening in the production. Each modules is completed in this 10 practical Excel project based on the sample function. In this project is not involve a very big functions such as like XLOOKUP, VLOOKUP, and also not involved in the pivot. But these simple project is very helpful for your data keeping and quality maintenance and also breakdown details. So now I am going to explain you. First is the production planning and scheduling tracker. It is the based on your production, what you are going to produce, and what you are getting the forecast from the markets. I will go through with one, but just I am going to context. Raw material, inventory management, daily production reports, and DPR, quality control, QC, log sheet, preventive maintenance schedule, manpower scheduling and utilization tracker, production and costing sheets, downtime analysis tracker, finished goods inventory tracker, rejection and rework analysis reports. These are the process and operation involved in your production. So you have to create these 10 reports on daily basis, and if you want to 10 reports customized within one sheet, so you can do it based on your knowledge. And if you want to help from my side, please raise me comment, I will help you. Explanation details of the context. First I have explained you production planning and scheduling. There is the 10 columns. First is the production date. It is the based on your function, you can use date function, and if you want to manual entry, you can do that. There is not a big deal. Shift, this can you apply the drop down morning, evening and night. Product code and name. These are the your production, what you are producing in your organization. If you are just like producing lays, so you can mention lays for UP and give you just a unique code L0 UPL0 something. What you want what is your thinking for your regist code, you can put here. Plant quantity, unit plant for production, what you are planning for the produce within months, so you can mention here the plant quantity as forecast. Actual quantity, what you are producing in a day, you can mention actual quantity. In second column you also get the whole month's actual quantity with the formula help without any manual entry. It is fully automatic. Variance, I mean what you are plant quantity minus actual quantity, based on you will get this difference as I mentioned here. Variance. Remarks means if you are getting any downtime, so you can mention the remarks. What is the benefits of this project, and I mean these sheets you can read out. Helps avoid the overproduction and maintain the smooth process. you can also mention one column, and there is a basis on the color, and you can use the drop down, and if you are and basis on the conditional formula you can use, and if you are getting the downtime, more than downtime, then might be your production will be lower side, so under there is showing will be under, and if you are getting more production, then overproduction will be give the right getting up, so might be color used by green. Second is the raw material inventory management, track stock level and preventive shortage and optimize reordering. First column is the name of the raw material code, unique code, opening stock and start update, month inventory, received new materials and received, consumption of material used, closing stock automatically calculated. Raw material inventory management means while if you are producing something finished goods, so in this finished goods we will use a lot of the raw materials, so for raw material you have to keep the inventory, and for procurement you have to follow and you have to check each and every day. So for this reports you can use these all column, like raw material name which you are procuring from the other side, and if you also use semi finished goods, material code, that is the unique number basis on the your easiest code. Opening stock, start of day, month inventory, opening of the day basis on this yesterday closing, today will be opening. Receipt, if you are procuring from the other vendor, so what you are procuring from the other vendor, this detail will be put here. Consumptions, material use, what you are producing for every daily basis, so in the FG what you are consumed, the detail put the either put this side, and automatically closing will be get calculated basis of the opening, closing and consumption. Closing will be get automatically basis on the opening minus consumption plus receivings. And reorder level, minimum stock of trigger, give the seventh column. If you are order, give the conditional formulas over there. If you are getting less than 5,000, less than 5,500 something, whatever your less than quantity, then might be red color will be here over there, and trigger will be shown. Benefits, ensures uninterrupted production by maintaining critical raw material. DPR, daily production rate per reports. In short way we can say DPR. Purpose, log and analysis production output and performance daily. Key columns, date, it will be automatic. If you are you will use the date function. Shift, day, morning, evening basis on your requirement. Machine, if you are having some machines, then you can put here machine names. If you are not having machine, then you can remove, and if you are using some automatic machine, and please put here. Operator name, whom is operating such machine. Target output, product name, actual output, downtime, time lost due to the breakdown, another issue. Actual efficiency, actual hour target into 100. Benefit, improve line performance by identifying an inefficiency. That will be help. This report will be help you for the improved line performance by identifying inefficiency. QC, log check, for every company is having, quality is the big thing for every company, because without quality you cannot ensure the product is good or not, because production we are producing with the help of the manpowers. Manpower might be illiterate and literate basis on your company and basis on your company requirements, but after that we have to check each and every product is good or not, and otherwise if you are having some workload, so you can check the quality of the product basis on the lot or batch number. Key column, batch number, product name, inspection date, QC parameter, basis on your QC parameter you can put here. Like X batch number is Suraj and product name is Suraj date, inspection date is 6 27 जून 2025. QC parameter weight 9 kg and dimension 4x4. So if you are getting some tolerance about that, so basis on this, and you will get the quality of the product measured. When you measured value, put here tolerance limit, put here status pass and fail, put here inspector name, whom is checking, please put the name also. This is on the status full and pause. You can get the whole month details about your product, how much quality was good and how much batch quantity was bad and fail. Preventive maintenance and schedule and task machine maintenance to avoid breakdown. Key column: first, machine name and ID. Second is location, maintenance type, weekly, monthly and annually. Due date, completed. Technician name, remarks. Just this data is showing your machine details and when time it was completed for the maintenance. Basis on this, when it is required for the maintenance, weekly and monthly and annually, put these details and automatically due date will be calculated. And once date has been completed, then you will get the red marks about your maintenance date. If this date is coming, please ask to maintenance team and technician team get the maintenance about the machine. Manpower planning and utilization tracker. This is the main things of each company and each industry, because every industry is having the manpower details, and every company and senior person, manager level person, have to keep details of manpowers and also have to track the utilization of the manpower. So purpose of the monitor labor allocation and shift planning and productivity. If you are having the good knowledge about the manpower, how much manpower you have assigned for this project, and how can schedule the shift and how can plan the shift, where can apply the 20% educated manpowers, and basis on these all detail you can fix your manpower where and best positions. So key column: date, shift, department, number of work planned, number of workers present, absent count, productivity, unit count. Improve the workforce and allocation and reduce the ideally time. Production costing sheet: analyze cost per product and identify saving opportunity. Production costing sheet: this is the output of your production, what you are producing finished good and what will get the cost of this production. Product name, raw material cost, labor cost, machine hour per rate, overhead, total cost, selling price and profit margin. This is the base. This report is basic for our managerial role, because these reports will help you know about the cost of the product. So this is the basic reports of your managerial things. For every company is having need to ROI. So for ROI you have to keep these details and you have to show your managements what margin we are getting from our finished goods. Help in pricing strategy, benefits about the analysis cost per product and identify saving opportunity. Benefits: help in pricing strategy, cost control and profit analysis. This is very useful reports for you, and if you are, please create these reports in Excel, and if you are having any doubt, please let me know, I will help you. Downtime analysis, downtime tracker. how much downtime is getting in your machine. These details will help you. I mean, if you created such a report, so this report will help you total downtime, and basis on downtime you can take the decision about the machines. Finished good inventory, FG, what you are producing. For this report is helping you for the finished good inventory. I mean, product name, product code, opening stock, production header, dispatch quantity, closing stock, and warehouse location. Like product name is Parle G, product code is Parle G X, opening stock 10, production header 5, dispatch is 2, closing stock will be basis on the calculation, it will get automatic. Opening also bit get the basis on the yesterday opening, closing will be get yesterday closing will be today opening. Production header, dispatch quantity, it is automatic. Dispatch quantity will be manual. Rejection and rework analysis for your production, what you are getting rejected things, so and what rejected quantity, how can rework. Like if you are producing the food of the something, you can take the example of you are producing the biscuit. So for biscuits, what is the rejected quantity, and rejected quantity how can rework, and what we did the rework about the rejections. So these reports will help you for the rejection and rework analysis reports. And thank you. If you want to search for doc, so please let me know, I will help you for you. By the way, I will add this doc in our description, so please go through with our description, and in description you will get this doc, and this basis on this doc, please do your homework and create the Excel data, I mean Excel sheet of template, and please let me know once you completed, and give the link in our comment. I will go through with your Excel template. If you need to add such something, I will add those columns for your sheets, and I will reach out to you. If you created such template, please let me know. These 10 reports is very helpful. And one more thing, if you want to guys connect with me on LinkedIn, so please go through with my ID Suraj Chris Dubey. This is my ID. I will also reach out to you with via LinkedIn. And thank you for guys your supports. And from today I will try to give you one lectures about the Excel as well as SAP. And SAP is also very very helpful in ERP. And for SAP is everyone suffering, especially whom is working in the manufacturing unit, so they are suffering, and every MNC is following SAP ERP. So I have to create some video, and for your help, so I will create and I will push you via YouTube. And please I have to say, and I request you, please if you don't mind, please subscribe our channel and like the video for your my motivations. And thank you so much. Bye bye, take care.